This video is going to demonstrate the new shortcut that we've added, the new Siri shortcut to record audio. This feature can be used to record audio during a precipitous labor if you don't want to use our built-in Siri commands, which already cover everything from capturing heart tones to the baby's crowning and head and body being delivered to placenta, as well as all the resuscitation and hemorrhage actions. But if you don't want to have to do Siri commands, you can instead record the audio and then convert that audio to a transcript and then generate SOAP notes or any kind of note that you want to send our artificial intelligence integration to. And you can even generate prenatals, or what's coming soon is the ability to generate a labor flow and for it to populate the entire labor section for you from a given transcript. We're also going to add the ability for it to populate the entire client intake so that you can just have a conversation with your client and ask them about their health history and everything else, and then it will populate the intake. And then whatever doesn't fit neatly into our existing built-in fields, it'll generate a note, a summary, a textual summary that will be available. So the way I'm going to demonstrate this is by creating a simple prenatal visit just by talking to myself, and then I'm going to show the transcript and then the SOAP note, and then also have it generate a prenatal visit. So here we go. Siri, recording start. Okay, have you had any headaches? Yes, I have had some headaches and some migraines, and I've been taking some medicine. Have you had any visual disturbances? Yes, I've had some visual disturbances associated with the headaches. Have you had any gastrointestinal issues? Yes, I've had some stomach issues in the morning, but nothing major. Have you had any back pain? Yeah, my lower back has been hurting lately, and so I've been taking some supplements to help with that. Have you had any fatigue? No, I haven't had fatigue. Have you had nausea? No. Have you been having any contractions? Yes, I've been having mild or occasional contractions. Have you had any edema? Yes, I've had mild edema. All right, your current weight is 125. It looks like your blood pressure is 190/70. It looks like your pulse is 86 and your temperature is 98. Your fetal position is LOA, and I'm estimating your fetal weight to be 4 pounds. Okay, let's administer some ROGAM. Your Edinburgh value is 8. I'm getting about a 5 on your cervical dilation, and the cervical effacement is 50%. Cervical position is midline, and fetal station is a -2. All right, your lungs look normal. Your skin looks like you have a bit of a rash on your forearm. All right, let's draw some labs. We're gonna do a prenatal lab. I'm going to prescribe you some probiotics to take over the next 2 weeks, and then you can come back in 2 weeks and we'll have a follow-up visit. Now we can go over to the Notes tab and view the audio recording. We'll open it and we will press transcribe. Now that we have our transcription back, we can generate a SOAP visit, or a SOAP note, I should say. And it contains all the information that we might need. We can choose from other different commands or create a custom command. And you can send any command you want to the artificial intelligence engine, and it'll create a response that you can then copy and paste maybe into a visit note or anywhere that's pertinent in the chart. This is, of course, HIPAA compliant, whereas if you were to just go use, any AI, ChatGPT or whatever, you can't give it any PHI data. Even using Siri to dictate a message, if you have PHI in there, it's really not permitted. And so our audio system, our recording feature here, and the transcription feature is all HIPAA compliant and goes through our vendors that we have BAA signed with. So now I'm going to try to generate a prenatal with it. I'm going to choose the create prenatal option. And I'm going to press generate. And now we can see that the AI has populated all of the fields. We got pregnancy symptoms and the headache and migraines that were mentioned. Client reported having visual disturbances associated with the headaches they were experiencing. Client reported having lower back pain. Contractions are mild or occasional. We've got the blood pressure, the pulse, temperature, fundal height, fetal position, fetal weight, the Edinburgh value that was mentioned, the cervical dilation and effacement, fetal station, and the physical exam, the bit of the rash that was mentioned, the elevated heart rate, and the prenatal labs that were mentioned that were ordered, and how the care provider mentioned probiotics. And then we have the soap note that is placed in here at the bottom. So it's definitely not perfect, but it will save time.